Hello everyone, this is Andrew and I'm back with another server type video. Today we're gonna make some upgrade for this HP DL380 generation 9 server. As you may see, this is the RAID adapter, the HP P440AR with 2 GB flash, which is 12 gigabit per second double port SAS RAID controller, because I have the old one, the P810 or 812. That's from the generation 6 or 7 HP servers. I'm already prepared the connector, so let's now unpack it and try to install it. This is the Gen 8 server working right now. So let's now install it. The RAID adapter, SAS ROM is 4.52, and let's try to install it. Give me a sec. We'll be back. I've reconnected the SAS cables from the old RAID with external to the new one which I just installed. No smoke, that's fine. Now let's go check the console. It's because there's no cover on top. Oh, my battery will die on the phone. Oh, and that's all. What's the... my phone is 8 years old, so I don't know why it's blinking. Let's see if it will import the configuration. Existing one. I hope it does. Yep, it is. We'll be back with the remove desktop. Well, unlucky.